By the way, you know, a lot of people were saying that I made quite a bit of progress in just 5 hours, but I'd like to make a disclaimer once again that this is my first time playing Silk Song. Swear to God. So there's my bragging rights. Alright. Okay. I'm pretty happy. And then when I said that I watched my friend play, it was basically up until the very first mini boss. What was it? The grass mother thingy, and then I fell asleep. Yeah, the moss mother. Yeah, but after that I didn't know anything about it. So, you know, just making a disclaimer, just, you know. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, that's me.